Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to complete the Hustle story in The Crew 2. This exciting adventure is part of the American Legends update, offering a unique challenge for all players. It's not just about speed, it's about exploration and solving clues across the entire map. Successfully finishing this 12-step journey will grant you a very special, exclusive vehicle to add to your collection. Get ready to embark on a thrilling treasure hunt. The Hustle story unfolds over 12 unique steps, each requiring you to locate a specific landmark or area. These locations are spread far and wide across the game's massive open world, from the bustling streets of Las Vegas to serene mountain restaurants. For some steps, you might cover distances of over 30 miles. Remember, you can often choose between ground vehicles, boats, or even planes to reach your next objective efficiently. To master the hustle, careful attention to the clues is key. Each step provides a hint about your next destination, so read them thoroughly. For those longer journeys, sometimes spanning 22 miles or more, a plane can be your best friend, drastically cutting down travel time. Don't hesitate to switch between your favorite ground vehicle, boat, or aircraft to tackle each leg of the story most effectively. Upon successfully completing all 12 steps of the Hustle story, you'll be rewarded with a truly special prize, the Spyker C8 Aileron All-In Edition. This exclusive vehicle is a fantastic addition to your collection, showcasing your dedication. Beyond the car, the real reward is the engaging journey and the satisfaction of uncovering all the secrets Motor Nation holds. Have fun exploring and earning your unique ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.